Today we talk about how can you enable light mode on your CC app. We're going to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do, you just go down here, you click here on profile down here, just click on it. So then it's going to take you to your profile. It's going to show for you like this here. Then all you have to do, next step, you just go down, you go above this sign, click on it. So then it's going to show for you a list like this here. Then you click here on display, just click on it. Then you click here on light. So then here automatically here it's going to change with you to light mode like you see on your CC app. So that's all you have to do. I wish you I get it. That's all. Thank you for your watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.